Hi, welcome back to CC Eats. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. Firstly, we're gonna melt 100 grams of unsalted butter in a saucepan. Turn to low heat and keep stirring for 5 minutes after butter is completely melted. Transfer the butter to another bowl to stop the cooking process. Measure 40 grams of raw sugar, 10 grams of Stevia, $50 grams of Monkfruit, add the mixture into the cooled butter. Add 1 egg, 3 grams of vanilla extract, blend with hand mixer on low speed for 1 minute. Add 20 grams of rolled oats, a pinch of cinnamon, 3 grams of salt, 3 grams of baking soda. Then add 130 grams of plain flour and 20 grams of bread flour. This will make your cookie more chewy. Add 3 grams of espresso powder to get the earthy flavor. Blend with hand mixer for 45 seconds on low speed. Don't overmix. Then here comes the fun part. Add 50 grams of sugar-free chocolate chips and 70 grams of chopped baking chocolate. Mix everything together. Use ice cream spoon to divide the cookie dough into 11 to 13 cookies. Put the one on the right hand side aside first. I will bake the cookie on the left side first at 160 Celsius with fan forced heat for 20 to 23 minutes. I also recommend to press the cookie dough down a little bit, but not too thin. All the cookies here are baked at 160 Celsius for 20 minutes. But the first row is using fan forced heat, as you can see is a little bit burned. The second row was also baked right away but with upper and lower conventional heat. The third row was baked after the dough was chilled for 3 hours with upper lower heat, conventional heat. And my favorite part of this video, testing out the cookies. Oh yeah, it's definitely a little bit burned, especially on the outside. It's even a little bit bitter. Okay, the second row. Pretty good. But I definitely can't taste the earthy flavor from the espresso powder. I just can't. Okay. Last row. Hope you can tell from the weird noise I made. This is my favorite method to bake chocolate chip cookie. You really can taste the earthy flavor developed from the espresso powder. And the outside is very crunchy, it's chewy, but not too much. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and make some cookies to treat yourself this weekend. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.